If you are fascinated by medieval craftsmanship and want to uncover secrets that modern builders still struggle to replicate, subscribe to Echoes of Valor now. Timber left untreated is highly vulnerable to moisture, fungi, and insect attack. Yet beams in medieval structures have survived for over 600 years. Careful selection of tree species and timing of harvest was the first step. Soaking timber in water or brine enhanced longevity. The application of natural oils, resins and tars, created a protective barrier. Once dried, timber was coated with pine resin, birch tar or heated plant oils. These substances formed hydrophobic layers that prevented water infiltration without sealing the wood completely, allowing it to breathe and avoid trapped moisture. Heating these compounds improved penetration into the wood grain, ensuring long-lasting protection. Some artisans also exposed timber to light smoke, further reinforcing antifungal and insect-repellent properties. Archaeological beams often retain traces of these coatings, which honestly demonstrates their effectiveness over centuries. Mechanical design, in itself, amplified rot resistance. Medieval builders understood that durability depended as much on design as on treatment. Beams were shaped to shed water efficiently, joinery minimized exposed end grain, and roof overhangs and raised foundations kept timber dry. Ships and bridges were designed to promote airflow, reducing condensation that could accelerate decay. Modern construction, quite surprisingly, often overlooks these passive protective strategies, which contributed significantly to the longevity of medieval structures. Smoke treatment, further strengthened timber protection. Light smoking of structural timber deposited phenolic compounds that resisted fungi and insects. Unlike industrial heat treatments that can weaken wood fibers, smoke treatment preserved strength while enhancing decay resistance. Combined with oil and resin applications, this created a multi-layered defense system that safeguarded wood for centuries, even under challenging environmental conditions. Even today, these medieval techniques can inform sustainable construction. Begin with dense, slow-grown timber such as oak or pine. Soak logs in fresh water or brine long enough to leach sugars and infuse minerals. Air-dry the wood slowly in a shaded, ventilated space. Apply natural oils, resins or tars, heating gently for deeper penetration. Consider light smoke exposure to deposit antifungal compounds. Complement these treatments with mechanical design strategies. Proper drainage, minimized end grain exposure, and adequate ventilation. Following these steps can dramatically increase wood longevity. It's quite remarkable. Medieval anti-rot methods still outperform modern chemical treatments. Modern preservatives often focus on quick solutions, sometimes sacrificing wood flexibility or, honestly, even long-term structural integrity. Medieval approaches, on the other hand, combined careful species selection, chemical treatments from natural sources, and intelligent design to produce timber capable of lasting centuries. The synergy of biological, chemical, and mechanical strategies explains why beams in castles and cathedrals have endured long after chemically treated modern wood has failed. The broader lesson from medieval ingenuity is really about understanding and leveraging resources. Medieval anti-rot practices show the value of observation, patience, and skillful use of natural resources. Builders understood wood properties, leveraged local materials for protection, and designed structures to mitigate environmental challenges. Restoration experts, carpenters, and survivalists can all learn from these techniques to enhance durability, reduce reliance on synthetic chemicals, and create woodwork built to last. If this guide reshaped your understanding of medieval timber preservation, do consider subscribing to Echoes of Valor and, well, share this with anyone interested in historical craftsmanship or sustainable woodwork. Medieval anti-rot methods are not just relics of the past. They are practical, timeless strategies for creating timber that can survive centuries, combining chemistry, design, and skill in ways modern construction has yet to match. Echoes of Valor.